Access modifier. Access modifier provides access to members of a class within a Java program. There can be 4 access modifier used on classes, method, field, and constructors in Java. There are 4 access modifier available in Java: public, private, default, and protected. Public access modifier can be accessed directly from all other classes and packages. Private access modifier can only be accessed within the class. Default can be accessed within the class and within all the classes in the same package. Protected, it allows access to its class, subclass, classes in the same package, and subclasses which are not located in the same package. Now, to explain on access modifier, let me create another package. The name of the package is Modifier. Inside this package, we create class access modifier. Now let me create another class. In this class we have public static. The name of the class is main. Okay, and let's write some fields which are public and method here in access modifier. To explain on public access modifier, you have public int number. Let me write method public void number function. All we want is to print number. This method will print the value of number, and we have to pass parameter here. We will discuss on parameter. For now, all we have to focus is on public access modifier. Here we write public, and here we also have public. All we want is to explain on public and how we access it. Now let me print the value of number. This dot number equal to number. Here is a keyword. We said that keyword in Java are to explain or to define some action. This keyword, this is referring to a field of this class. This field that we have, this keyword is referring to the field of the current class, and this dot number equal to this number that we have in parameter. Because we have the name of the parameter and the name of the field is the same, that's why to differentiate between the parameter and the field that we have in the class, we have to write these dots. These refer to the field of current class. Okay, this dot number equal to this number. Now let me come to this main class. From this main class, let me create an object. access modifier. Let the variable name just be am equal to new. Let me just copy and paste here. We create object so that we can access the member of this access modifier from our main class. Now, to access the members of the access modifier, we have to put dot operator on our variable name. Now I write the variable name. Here is the variable name. Okay, let me use dot operator. If I use dot operator, here is the number field that we have, and here is the number function that I have written in the access modifier class. We can access these members because it is public. Okay, now I am able to access this number. Okay, let me access the function. Now, number function. Let me write 2 and print. Now we have to print because the function is to print 2. Okay, this is public access modifier. We can access public access modifier from another class and even from other packages. From all classes that we have, we can access public access modifier. Now let me come to this class and declare this field private. Now this field is private. Let go and try to access this field for now. Let's see. You see there is no any field number because it is private. This private access modifier can only be accessed inside this class. The scope is only inside this class. It cannot be accessed outside this class. Now, even this function that we have written, let me write this function, number function. If you have declared this number function private, we will see error here because this class does not know about the number function because it is private. Let me go and declare this class private. Okay, if we declare this class private, let comes to this main, you see we have an error here because this class did not know about this number function. This is about the public and private, and the next we're going to look is on default and protected. Now for default access modifier, we don't have to write anything here, be it public, private, protected. If you did not write anything, then it is default. We have default access modifier for the field and for the method. Now for default access modifier, only classes that are in the same package will access default access modifier. Now here we are in the package modifier, and this class main is also in the package modifier. Now since these two classes are in the same package, this class will access the members of this class using object. Now we have number field that we have in the access modifier class, and we have number function. Okay, we cannot access default modifier from another class. Now let me try. Now we have this class, which is chapter 5 from different package. This is not the package modifier, this is another package. Let me import modifier package and import this access modifier. Now from this package, let me create an object, access modifier, the variable name, let me just write am new. Okay, let me try accessing the field of this. You see, there is nothing here. We have no this number function, we have a number field, and we doesn't have the number function also. Okay, but let me put this field to public. If I write public here, if I come to this package, you see here we have this number. The default access modifier can only be accessed inside the same package. Okay, now let's try protected. For the protected, it can be accessed from subclasses inside the same package, classes that are in the same package, and subclass that are in different package. Now let me try accessing from this class. This class, they are in the same package. Here we access the number and the number function because they are in the same package. And they said that from subclass in the same package. What are subclass? A subclass are class that inherited the access modifier class. Any class that inherited this class is said to be subclass of this class. If class inherited another class, then it is subclass. Now let me create another class. Let the name of the class be access modifier 1 to differentiate it from our access modifier class. Now we have access modifier 1. Let this class extend. This extend keyword is used to inherit the class that we want. This we have subclass. To inherit access modifier class, we have to write extend and write the name of the class. Let me copy the name of the class and come to this access modifier. Okay, this what we have here is a subclass of our access modifier. From this class, we will have access to members of this class protected because they are in the same package. Okay, now even if they are in different package, we can access protected if it is subclass. This is used to inherit the members of this class. We will talk about inheritance later in the course. This class is modifier class. We are inside modifier class, and if this subclass is inside this package which is not modifier, as long as it is subclass, we can access the members of protected. This is all about protected in this course.